In the late 18th century, the poor people of Italy would put tomato sauce on their focaccia. Focaccia?
It's focaccia.
Anyway, that would lay groundwork for what would be later known as the modern pizza. Now, me and you at Heritage Culinary and Eagle Media are here to show you how to make a quick and easy pizza from scratch. Come on, I'll show you. You're going to want to start by putting 2/3 a cup warm water in a small mixing bowl, along with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 packet of yeast. While the yeast is activating, take a large mixing bowl and pour 1 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then whisk together. Mix the wet and dry ingredients together with a wet spoon and pour a shaggy dough onto a surface with about half a cup of flour to spread onto it. Then, knead the dough until it's soft and firm. If it's still too sticky to roll, add more flour. After that, let the dough rest for about 4 minutes. Next, use a rolling pin to flatten the dough. Then use your hands to form it into a 12-inch circle. Spread marinara sauce across the dough, leaving the edges as crust. Then cover in mozzarella cheese and pepperoni if you'd like. Finally, place the pie in an oven-safe pan and cook at 475 degrees for about 10 minutes. And there you have it, a fresh-made pizza from scratch. We hope you enjoyed this recipe, and thanks for watching.